As a full-time alternative hair wearer, I enjoy wearing my Hatfall wig a lot, and it's truly a throw-on-and-go option that's perfect for everyday wear. Today I will share more about this budget-friendly alternative, which I purchased with my own funds. The one I'm wearing at the moment is the Hatfall wig from Wigshe in dark brown, and it's in 14 inches length. The density is 120% and the cap is a medium-sized cap. It fits me very well, and I will put in the description below my head measurements. Hello everyone and welcome to Wear All the Hair. Thank you for joining me. My goal is to make wearing alternative hair more sustainable, customized, and smooth sailing as possible. So if you're looking for an easy, affordable alternative hair option, this might be something that you can look into, and it could be a great option for you. I also have a regular lace front wig from the same brand, but unfortunately my experience with this hasn't been very positive. And I will be making another video soon to explain in detail the problems that I've had with that particular piece. As far as this Hatfall wig, the hair quality is very good. I already washed it once, and here is how it air dried. There is a little bit of frizz, but overall I can say that the hair feels really great and good quality hair. It took about 2 days to fully air dry, and I did notice a little bit of shedding during the washing, but not too much though. So the hair air dries with a slight wave, which actually looks very realistic. It makes it perfect for running some quick errands without styling it. The cap is made of a synthetic material. However, I'm not a fan of this silicone strip that they put in the front to grip at your forehead or at your hair. It's a bit uncomfortable for me. So I've seen other brands that are offering as well Hatfall wigs that they use velvet in that area. So I'm planning to sew my own velvet strip to replace it. And I'm going to make a short video very soon on how exactly I'm doing that. The cap is slightly stretchy, and it doesn't have any adjusters or ear tabs. Instead, it features an elastic band that runs around the entire circumference, and it's providing a secure but yet simple fit. So my final thoughts on this wig: if they guarantee that the size and the fit of the cap and the hair quality, it will be consistent, I will definitely consider ordering a longer version of this one and maybe even another color. I could say definitely that their customer service was good, and with this particular wig, I'm really happy with both the fit and the hair quality. I will put more details in the description about this wig. As I said, I paid it with my own funds. This is not in any way a gift or sponsored video from this brand. Thank you so much for watching another of my videos. If you want to learn more about other alternative hair options, you can check out this video or any other of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.